Imagine this. It's the first week of the month. Your paycheck hits your bank account. For a moment, everything feels good. You open your banking app, and the number looks healthy again. Rent is paid, bills are covered, there's still money left. So you think, maybe this month I'll finally save more. But then life starts happening. A few dinners out, a couple of Amazon orders, a weekend trip, a new gadget that seemed reasonable at the time, nothing extreme, nothing irresponsible, just normal life. And yet, by the end of the month, something strange happens. Your savings barely moved, and without realizing it, around $500 quietly disappeared. Not on anything memorable, not on anything life-changing, just gone. Most working professionals don't lose money through big financial mistakes. They lose it through small, repeatable decisions. Let's break down a typical month for a young professional earning around $70,000 a year in the US or Europe. After taxes and fixed bills, maybe $2,000 to $2,500 is left for lifestyle spending. And this is where the silent $500 mistake begins. Here's how it usually looks. $120 on food delivery and takeout, $80 on subscriptions you rarely use, $150 on random online purchases, $100 on weekend spending, and $60 on convenience spending, like coffee, rides, or snacks. Individually, none of these feel dangerous, but together, that's about $510. And the real problem is this: most people don't even remember what they bought. It wasn't intentional spending. It was default spending. This isn't about discipline. It's about psychology. When your income increases, your brain quietly adjusts your definition of normal spending. This is called lifestyle creep. When you earned $40,000, a $40 dinner felt expensive. At $70,000, the same dinner feels reasonable. At $100,000, it feels cheap. Your brain constantly recalibrates comfort, so the extra money never feels like extra money. It just becomes the new baseline. And the system around you is designed to encourage this. Subscription services, one-click purchases, food delivery apps. Every platform is built to make spending frictionless, while saving requires effort. Which means most people default to the easier option, spending. Now here's where things get interesting, because $500 a month doesn't just disappear. It also loses the chance to compound. If someone invested $500 per month into a simple index fund, earning an average 8% return, after 10 years, it becomes about $91,000. After 20 years, around $294,000. And after 30 years, nearly $745,000. Almost $750,000 from money most people never notice spending. The real cost of the $500 mistake isn't the money you spent, it's the wealth you never allowed to grow. This is one reason many working professionals feel financially stuck. They earn decent salaries, work hard, and avoid major debt problems, but small leaks continue for years. Their lifestyle slowly expands to absorb their income, so raises don't build wealth, they simply upgrade expenses. The solution isn't extreme frugality, it's automation. The wealthiest savers remove the decision entirely. Before money reaches their spending account, a portion is already invested. If someone earning $70,000 automatically invests $500 the day their paycheck arrives, their lifestyle adapts to what's left. Humans adjust faster than they realize, which means the real trick isn't budgeting harder, it's making saving the default, because whatever remains, your brain will quickly accept is normal. Most financial mistakes aren't traumatic, they're quiet. They repeat every month and feel harmless in the moment. The $500 mistake isn't about one bad purchase, it's about a pattern that slowly trades long-term wealth for short-term comfort. And once you notice it, you realize something important. Building wealth usually isn't about earning more money, it's about protecting the money that quietly tries to leave your life every month.